Brilliant bit of kit, these straight line burners. In stock to rent. You're on 110 volt. Here you have your gear lever release. So you can send it up and down your 1.8 meter track. You can interconnect as many pieces of track together as you like. We're on 110 volt. Set to forward, and we're off. Adjustable speed. A brilliant bit of kit for beveling plate, cutting through pretty much any thickness plate. Set up for oxy-propane or oxy-acetylene. You've got your levers here. Hose bagging just threads on here. You obviously got left and right hand thread. You've got adjustable heights on your brackets. This one here alters your angle. That's it. So you've got pretty much infinite adjustability. Brilliant straight line burner. Extremely reliable. A great way of doing long length cuts. Extremely accurate. Very solid. Well made. In stock, available to rent here at Spectrum Welding Supplies. Thank you very much.